Hello traders and welcome back to another FX Setup Technical Analysis. My name is Damir Galch from good old Germany and it's Thursday the 9th April 2013, meanwhile 16 o'clock 59. Okay, here we go. I want to give you a technical analysis about the Euro Turkish New Lira. We are trading, or the Euro Turkish Lira is trading at 2.3278. It's exact 17 o'clock meanwhile Central European time, or even 11 o'clock in the morning in New York, or 16 o'clock in London, by the way. Okay, however, the reason why I'm choosing, or the interesting fact why I'm choosing this cross rate is following stuff. Look at this, guys. Here the sideways trend, slightly sideways trend, and here we are trying, here yesterday, while Asia session, European session, and today US session, trying to break out here from this slightly bearish downside trend. So a better picture, better view we'll get if we take here the if we put here the overlay larger time frame for our above the 5-minute charts, and we see here we've got here this sideways trend, here this 4-candle upside trend, and then here this how do you say this pattern, yes, candlestick pattern here on from the bulls, here candlestick at a bear, so bearish candlestick pattern, here on bulls candlestick pattern, and here also on the 4-hourly time frame. So it seems like that we will get in the next hours or days, even 24 hours, a decision where the Euro Turkish Lira will go. So yes, the main reason why I'm choosing this cross rate is following stuff. Here, if we put here the Bollinger Bands and the pivot lines line, we see here the monthly pivot line, yes, at 2.3324. The weekly pivot line at 2.3252, and here we see the Bollinger Bands, and here we see the oscillator, yes, of course, oscillator, and here we created here something like an, yes, how to say, something like an sideways trend, yeah, and sideways box, and here since yesterday, 18 o'clock Central European time, I've got this idea to trade this cross rate, and here I'm waiting here that we'll come here back line, here back in the sideways trend, and I would use here even the prices here, this monthly pivot line 233.24 and weekly pivot line 232.52 even as an entry, so even as a neutral or a neutral even yellow area. So if we get prices above 233.24, I would prefer the long side. If we get prices under the weekly pivot line 232.52, I would prefer the short side, even for the next 48 hours until the end of the week. So yes, that's the basic setup. From the technical point of view, if we put here some lines in, we see here we've got here this fails outbreak above the 1% Bollinger Bands. Then we've got here this sideways evidence of this sideways slightly bearish trend channel, and the interesting point of view is, or interesting technical fact is also here, I waited since yesterday midday New York time, then we've got here while West session lows, then we came here in Asia back inside. Here I don't got the courage to create a trade, so I waited also through European trading session, then we falls here also back in this downside trend, and here meanwhile New York trading session we are back in the sideways trend. So all in all, I would wait perhaps through New York or even Asia session if we break out, and then I would take as a trend following long or short trading capability. But meanwhile, we see here, if we create here the lows from last week and here the lows from yesterday. So here we should create much more another line. Here we see we've got here we came here back in the sideways trend throughout Asia, and in Europe we create here an evidence of this upside trend. So it seems like that it could be slightly bullish, and I also see a big opportunity that we break above out than down. But if we should break down, I would also take this as an short trading capability. So I'm pretty neutral in this cross rate, and it's an unusual technical setup, by the way. So but from the other side, also here, if we take here the highs, we can also create here the highs end of last week and from Monday. So here, look at this. So very interesting. Here, look at this, guys. And we see here also the function here. We've got here this W, if you want, V. Here we are in the box, then we fall down. Here in the sideways trend, got the evidence support here on this upside trend, and we are here also in the box. So we will get in the next 24 hours, surely, or 48 hours, a decision where the Euro Turkish lira will go. However, I'm pretty neutral. Once again, prices above 233.24 I would use as a long entry, and prices under 232.52 I would use as a short entry. Okay, guys, that's all for today. That's all for today. It's meanwhile 17:07 Central European time, and my name is still Damir from good old Germany. Wish you a great trading day on Thursday, and take care, stay aware, stay green, and trade with me.